Okay, good afternoon. I'm going to show you today how to use Windows NT. I'm going to show you today how to install a printer on your computer. Your printer may have came with an installed disk, but there is also Windows has a very large group of drivers that gets downloaded with NT, which might contain your printer. Now, knowing that NT is a much older version of Windows, the printers that are here are all pretty much outdated, but I'm just going to show you how to print one, to put one in. You're going to click Start. You're going to come up here to Settings Control Panel. Then you're going to look for the folder that says Printers. You're going to double click Printers to get it to come up. And now you see we already have one here, but we want to add a printer. And it's going to be a local printer, so we're going to say My Computer. We're going to click Next. This is something you no longer have to do with most printers. They pretty much figure out themselves what ports to go to. LPT1 is the pretty much standard first port, the port that printers are put into. So we'll say LPT1. We'll say Next. And now I am trying to add a brother printer, so over here in Manufacturers you find your printer manufacturer. And then here is a list of all of the manufacturers, or all of the printer types that came downloaded. If you cannot find it here, and you do have a disk, you can say Have Disk, or you can go on the internet to Brother's website and see if they still have a copy of it. So our Brother is the M1924. We're going to click Next. The driver is already, we're going to replace it just to make sure it's a good one. Now here is where it asks about the default printer, and you type the printer name. Yes, we wanted the default printer. If there was only one printer on here, it wouldn't ask about the default printer. So you're going to click Next. Is it going to be a shared network, or is it not shared? And it's not shared because it's on my local network. Would you like to print a test page? You're going to click Yes, just to make sure it worked right. I don't actually have one of these printers, it's an older one, so that's why I'm getting this message. But if the printer test page was completed, you would get this page. If it printed correctly, you would say yes. If not, you would say no. And this is what happens. You get this help screen from Windows NT, and it gives you a list of things to try, and then you can come down here and you'd click on no, and it would give you another list of things to try. But we'll pretend that it was a yes, so we'll close this. And you'll see that there is no little green check mark like in the later versions that tell you which one is the default printer. To find that out, you would have to go File, so make sure here we go File, Server Properties, and actually highlight, and if you right click on it, here's where you can see Set as Default. So this is the only way that you can set as default, is you right click on the printer and click Set as Default. You can see also you can purge the print documents, you can delete this shortcut, you can create a shortcut like on your desktop, you can rename it, you can find more about properties. And that is how you install a printer on Windows NT.